A little help, guys, would be nice. Yeah, so that's what the garden looks like this year. We almost hit our record for here in my area of 300 centimeters of snow this year thus far, and winter's not over yet. We still have a few more weeks to go. So this is the new grow light shelf that I just finished putting together. Looking good. It's holding the cracky lettuce, and I have some new starts down in the bottom. So the cracky lettuce is doing well. This one was due to be harvested on February 17th, which makes it, I do believe, 40 to 45 days old. And this one here is pushing just a little over 30 days old and doing quite well. Starts for the new growing season. I don't know if you can tell. In the middle I have pansies growing, and I have some herbs on either side of it. Flat leaf parsley and curly leaf parsley, just starting to come up there now. Over on this side, I have the Walla Walla onions coming along, and they've been growing now for about a week. Well, that's it. Just wanted to let everybody know what I was up to in the month of February, And as you can see, it's been a pretty cold and snowy month of February, but I did manage to get a few projects done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.